Hello everyone, my name is Arifin from Silent Society. As we have seen earlier, scattered dry leaf waste is still a problem that is often fit on the street. And 5. The manual leaf collection process in time consuming, labor and intensive, and costly. So it can be seen the street are still money risks the have not been cleaned. Although the levers have been collected, they are just piled up in one place without any future processing.
And therefore, we designed a machine that can collect and shred waste in the one job. How to use it is quite easy. Just turn on the motor and push this machine to the desired area. Compared to hired sweeper to collect the leaves, using this machine will make the job faster, easier, and cheaper. This is the total area of the all roads in the city of Pekanbaru, Indonesia, and this is the number of people employed to clean it. This is their salary for 1 year, and this is our machine. With that price and capacity, our machine can clean the road in Pekanbaru with only 78 units. This is the estimate price spent to buy the machine as well as the operator salary for 1 year. It can be seen that the government expenditure will be reduced rapidly if using our machine.